Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the adorable world of bunny face shaping. Both made with the exact same pattern and stitch counts, so the technique is identical. To give you the clearest view of every move, I'll be demonstrating all the shaping steps on this bunny right here. But don't worry, these same techniques will work perfectly to give your plush bunny a beautifully defined face too. Face sculpting. For this step, you'll need some yarn in a color that matches your bunny. I'm using black one. First, we'll create the overall shape of the bunny's face, and then we'll focus on defining eye sockets. Our starting point for the whole process is right here at the chin. Now, we're going to bring the needle up to the point, which is located about 2 rounds directly below the base of the right ear. Next, we're going to insert the needle precisely at the base of the right ear. Now, let's move over to the other side. Next, bring your needle out at the point symmetrical. Finally, we're going to bring our needle back out at the chin. Gently pull on your yarn. You'll see how the face starts to take shape. You can adjust the tension to create the look you desire. Do not cut the yarn. Let's shape the eye sockets. Now, find the base of the right ear again. From that point, count 3 rounds down, and then move 1 single crochet closer to the front of the face. Now, we're going to insert the needle here, a little diagonal step up. Next, bring your needle out at the point symmetrical. Finally, bring your needle back out at the chin. Now, gently pull the yarn again. You'll see how the area around where the eyes will go starts to indent, creating eye sockets. Adjust the tension until you achieve the shape you like. Once you're happy with the shape of your eye sockets, it's time to secure everything. Tie off your yarn with a small knot. Then, using your hook, carefully weave in the ends of the yarn into the head to hide them securely. Now you have a beautifully sculpted face with defined eye sockets, ready for you to insert your safety eyes or embroider them as you prefer. This simple sculpting technique really adds a professional and expressive touch to your amigurumi bunnies. Thank you so much for following along with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll give face sculpting a try on your next amigurumi project. If you'd like to create a bunny just like this one, you can find the full pattern in my shops. All the links are in the information box down below. Happy crocheting, everyone!